Hello everybody, and welcome back to our channel, Two Brothers Outdoors. Glad you could join us this evening. I'm going to be sawing up these two little cherries tonight. I'm going to be sawing solo. Tim is over there setting up a modification on a sawmill. By the time you see this video, that video will already air, so you'll know what that modification is. We had a little bit of an oops the other night on a log that we were sawing into siding. We were able to straighten it out, but the whole problem was due to the lack of a toe board. So he's going to straighten that out with a toe board that we built for the mill. So let's get sawing these two little cherries up, finish this order, and get it down the road. In this video, we have a big problem with the mill. As you watch the video, see if you can catch the problem as it happens. I'll point it out afterwards. Dropped that log off here the other night and it decided it wanted to roll down on its own. Did you catch that? The lift cable just broke and the head went slamming to the track. Well, well, well. We just had ourselves a little crash here. Broke the cable that takes the head up and down. That sucks. Well, guys, we broke the cable that takes the head up and down. I don't know why. Pulleys are moving free. It just crashed and burned. So, we're going to have to get some cable, do a few repairs, looks like. That really sucks. Alright guys, well, we got more than one board out of this. I got probably 2, maybe 3 usable boards. We only needed 1. We're going to have to unload the mill and get that head roll back here, and I'm going to have to straighten out this cable. So, for tonight's video, this is it. I appreciate you watching. Hit that thumbs up. Hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any future videos. If you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. And I guess until the next one, we will catch you later. Fixing the mill, that is. Okay, guys. So it appears that this pulley right here has got a spot where it seizes up. And I can see sawdust on one side and not on the other. So I think that pulley stopped moving and the cable just kept dragging back and forth until it finally wore thin and broke. That kind of sucks. Alright, so we're going to take this pulley off and see what's going on there, and then restring some new cable on here. Okay, this pulley's got a brass bushing in it, and that brass bushing is gone. It is worn out. So we're going to come up with something to go in there. Let's go see what we can find. Okay, so I have this brass fitting right here, and the bolt just barely doesn't fit in there. So I'm thinking if I run this drill bit down through there, that bolt will fit, and then I'll chunk this up in the drill and take a file and cut this down till it fits in the pulley, and I'll have myself a brass bushing. Alright, wish me luck. Let's see what happens. Okay. I ran the drill in there, and this bolt fits in there nice and snug. So all I gotta do is take this part down right here to fit inside that pulley, and we'll have ourselves a new bushing. Okay guys, so I have a wood lathe. I can chuck this up in the wood lathe and take the file, take it down. I'll have that bushing fixed in no time to that. That's going to work perfect. I'll cut that off right now, and we'll have ourselves a bushing and have this fixed. Okay guys, that's good old American ingenuity right there. Got us a brand new bushing, brand new brass bushing in there. We'll have it on the mill in just a few minutes, and then we'll fix the cable. Hopefully we'll be ready to go. Okay guys, successful fix. Just like brand new bushing. Alright, we're going to get this cable fixed and get our mill back on the road. Okay, got the pulleys fixed, the cable's fixed. Got to put a little black tape on them frayed ends. Everything's back to normal. I ran it up and down, greased the slides on both sides. Oiled the pulleys up. I think she's all ready to go. Alright guys, another misadventure with Two Brothers Outdoors.